I play for keeps, they scared of me. I can barely sleep or even breathe. I cannot hold on without you on side of me. I never knew this fame would take the ones I love from away from me. I wanna see Casey bad, but I can't seem to call Nene.
I know you just saw me. We like Nick. We like them. Like fam. We fam. I know. I'm gonna just give y'all one more tonight. And then I ain't gonna give y'all no more till tomorrow. And tomorrow I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna hit y'all with some more. I just wanna let y'all know that them days I took off, I'm coming back for me taking off. Because I told y'all this time around here on King Nick TV, we ain't gonna be nothing but consistent. And now today guys, we're reacting to another Key Glock song, Double Double. And this song is called Never Change. And it just came out like 3 days ago. And let's tune in. Let's see what this hitting on too. This probably another banger. Let's see. Blizzard.
Hey, I'm $1 million nigga, bitch, but ain't shit changed, yeah. Ain't shit changed, but the goddamn change, I be ballin' hard, I do this for me in the game, yeah. Going out like I came, and it's with a bang, yeah. Yellow bitch, yellow whip, yellow everything, Lemon squeeze trigger, nigga, I make lemonade, yeah. My gang don't hesitate, pull it and lemonade. My diamonds frosted flakes, bitch told me they're great, yeah. Bitch, I'm a heavyweight. I get plenty cake. Let my effort penetrate. Get the fuck up out my way. You ain't talking about no paper. You ain't talking about no paper. Shout out my gang, shout out my labor. Bitch, I do my thing while y'all just hating. I'm ballin' like a Laker. I'm cutthroat, I'm like trader. Sippin' smoking flavors, going up like elevators. I mean escalators, killers in the escalator. Don't play the gang and major, yeah, they come through and erase you. Yeah, I'm rich as fuck, but somehow, bitch, I still take some, yeah. Nigga, I still take some, but bitch, I'm $1 million nigga, ho, and ain't shit changed. Ain't shit changed, but the goddamn change, yeah. Nina on my side, I put Nina on your brain. Nina tryna bang, I let Nina bang. I've been sipping scissors, switching line to line. Yo, I keep down the door and now I'm fucking up the game. Like Tina Johnny Bang, yup, I did my thing. And just the other day I dropped a quarter on earring. They like, Glock, you going crazy. Glock, you insane. I never change, but my change keep the thing. I'm about to break this bitch back and then go break the bank. And if you don't know nothing, bitch, you better know one thing. I'm $1 million nigga, bitch, and I never change. He's out when the thing change with these motherfucking chains. I'm ballin' hard on them, I do this shit for me and gang. I'm going out like I came, yeah, this with a bang. Yellow bitch, yellow whip, yellow everything. Let me squeeze trigger, nigga, I make lemonade. My gang don't hesitate, we call it a lemonade. All my diamonds frosted flakes, bitch told me they look great.
And that's it, guys. Once again, my boy Glock, he stay turning his vids, and in this vid, guys, you can clearly see, the message. He like, even though I done got on, even though I've been making money, I've been making a lot of money and stuff, it still ain't changed who I am. I'm still that same, where I came from type shit. The money ain't changed, man. I'm still the same, person type stuff. And that's pretty much what you want to be, no matter where you be in life. In a way, you still want to be that same person in a way. In a way, y'all never want to completely lose yourself. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction, because you know what I'm saying, it was lit. I like the song, guys. I hope you guys liked it too. And if you guys have yet, please that like, that subscribe. And I fuck with y'all, and I thank y'all so much for tuning in. See y'all tomorrow. And I promise this time, y'all not gonna see me for a minute. Y'all not gonna see me for at least a couple hours. But I love y'all. We out.
I say, mama, I'm so sorry. I got ice burn with my heart at. On the road, why I had it hearted. I'm chosen, I'm so heartless, so heartless. I ain't know my age, he was 16, they killed it Dave. Mine in a rage, I'm way too young to feel his pain. I ain't know how to fade.